Welcome back. If y'all haven't been to my channel yet, hey, my name's Mariah. So subscribe, hit that bell button, and hit the bell button for more, and ring it for more notifications. And I'll see you in my next video. But right now, I'm going to be filming my back to school senior year emergency kit. So I'm going to do that, and it's got some stuff in it a lot of y'all girls might need for back to school. Either if you're high school, middle school, whatever. Not necessarily elementary. I don't think that would work. But I am going to film this little portion of my back to school emergency kit. I got this bag from Temu. I will on the Temu website. These double layer bags. You can get these double layer bags from them. This is the 4-piece one, but it's got 2 layers. I don't know how many. I mean, there might be more than 2 layers of bags on that website, but you could definitely get these on this website. I got this. This is like a makeup bag, but I haven't used it yet for makeup, so I didn't really necessarily care about using this for makeup. So I just pulled it out and said, hey, I'm going to use this as my emergency kit for back to school. I'm going to be a senior this year, and y'all let me know what y'all going to be. So, I'm going to jump straight into this. So, I'm going to be showing y'all my emergency kit. This is the 4-piece 2-layer zip up bag with a handle, so you can carry it to the restroom with you. You can do whatever you need to with this, and it's so easy to hold. If you have time before your next class, you can definitely go to the restroom and just do what you need to do. So yeah, let's jump right in. Let's go. Hey, so I'm going to be filming the top portion of this, and I'll get through it as soon as I can. And I got a little bit, not much, in the top portion or in the bottom portion, but it's enough for me to carry around. So that's what we're going to do. And we're just going to jump straight on into it. First, what I'm going to show y'all is I got my change purse. So my little change purse little thing. It's got my change, got $1, got lots of quarters I picked up, and I got them to have for the, drink machine, because we have drink machines on the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd floor, and on the 2nd and 3rd floor we have food machines, like chips and granola bars. So yeah, I've got a lot of quarters. And next thing I got is this Jergens Ultra Healing Repairs and Heals Dry Skin with vitamin C, E, and B5, 48-hour moisturizer. And I got a little mini travel size. I'm gonna get another one of these just to stock up on for my travel bag. And then I got a mini hand sanitizer from Bath & Body Works, but I'm going to get like a mini one from Walmart to have stocked up on. This is the Dream Bright scented one, and it's antibacterial hand gel. It's just cute. It's just so cute, and I love it. So yeah, and this is the one. This smells so good, and the little bitty perfume I also have with it. This smells so good. It smells clean, just fresh, like you got out of the shower type deal. They have the big bottle of lotion, but I didn't buy that one. I meant body lotion, but I did buy it. I did buy that, and I used it all, I think, and it was delightful. Also, one thing, also got some Winsong. I'm going to get a mini bottle to have in stock to fit in the purse, and then a mini bottle of vitamin deodorant, because vitamin deodorant spray, because you know I don't want to stink, and your girl don't like to stink. I've been dropping stuff, so yeah. I've been like, I'm actually gonna keep these at home. I get minis for them for my emergency kit, because I don't want to carry around big stuff all day. And I already got minis with the body spray, lotion, and Germ-X. I'm going to stock up on the Germ-X and the lotion and probably a other mini spray. So I'm going to just keep these at home in my thing. And then one other thing I have is menstrual cramping medicine. Oh my god, I have the worst menstrual cramps in the world, so I need these right here. These are from Walmart, as you can tell, the sheet brand. And these are menstrual cramp pills, and oh my god, I have to take one every this helps with cramps, bloating, and fatigue, and back and headache, which my period, when I'm on my period, that always happens to me, all of those symptoms, so it's bad. I always have headaches, and I'm always tired when I'm on my period, and so also that, and then I'll always have like a backache right in here. But yeah, and then I got a nail glue just in case your nail pops off for the day, which I do wear fake nails, so it kind of does. This helps to have this in case your nail pops. So yeah, and then in the bottom layer I have the my pads and stuff just in case, because I do wear pads. Just some pads to have in your kit and little other things. So you always want that in your kit with you at all times. So y'all, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.